Trieste is enjoying an unusually warm November weather, a sign of climate changing pattern that could affect our future. As sea temperatures continue to rise and the weather becomes increasingly unpredictable, the question remains, how will these changes impact life in the region?
Some days it's very hot, some days it's kind of cold. So
It's quite difficult to attribute the warmth of this part of November to the climate change situation because it's due to an anomalous distribution of baric anticyclones and cyclones along the European side with a high pressure insisting over the central eastern part of Europe, and so a flow of eastern currents which affected the temperatures, bringing the maximum temperatures a bit above the mean, the average value, the climatological average value. Here we are in the last 10 days around 1.5 degrees above the average value. It's difficult to say that this is due to climate change. What we can say is it's quite anomalous to have also no precipitation in this part of the autumn month, which are characterized in a climatic point of view by a very high amount of precipitation.